Ben. No, not Devlog, I mean the other Ben. Yeah, that Ben. He's a game dev, a YouTuber, an overall nice person that helped me. And he was hosting his second game jam, so I decided to join. I made some preparations before the jam. Those were talk to my friend that makes music and make him accept participating in the jam with me, make a GitHub repository before the jam, and also create a Unity project. And if you know Ben, you might know that he likes green. So I stole his green palette and added red because I like red. Then, on a Friday at 5 p.m. on my local time zone, the jam started and the team was limited space. Now, I'm gonna be 100% honest with you, I had no idea what to make. However, Sammy, the music human, wanted to make a escape room game, which I really like in real life. This idea was really good as it fits the theme, but the problems about that idea were it would be way too hard to make it in 2D, and I don't know how to model, and even if I knew how to model, it would be hard to make those models with a green and red palette. So, rip escape room idea. That was his only idea, and I had no ideas. So I decided to take a break and play some Spelunky. Until I got the idea to kind of remake my first game to each, Defeat the Virus, epic name by the way, where enemies spawn and you kill them. That's literally the whole game. But how could I fit that to the team? I thought, well, maybe I could make so that there's a circle that is really big at the beginning, but each time you kill an enemy, the circle becomes smaller and the player cannot leave the circle. So I had an idea. I opened up a sprite and started making some sprites for a slime that would be the enemy and its animation, and also a rocket and its animation. Then I opened the project and added some scripts from my Ludum Dare 47 game Gold Looper, mainly the shooting system and movement script, because I am lazy, I'm not going to lie. After that, I started working on the movement script of the enemies, which was just vector2.walk towards, but it would also stop walking after zero point 0.5 seconds, then start walking again, which was easily made with the invoke method, such an awesome method. Then I added Cinemachine, which makes the camera follow the player, and idle animations for the player, and yes, just the idle one. Another friend accepted doing the wall one. But the thing was, you could shoot, and there were enemies, but they were not being spawned. So I made the spawning system, which consists of a coroutine and a bit of random numbers. Even though the enemies were not spawning, nothing would happen when the player killed them, so I decided to make the script to reduce the scale of a circle with just as a reminder you cannot leave, and also increase your score when you killed an enemy. I also added a custom font to the score text, and that was it for Friday and Saturday. It definitely was not much, so I needed to hurry on Sunday as I have classes on Monday. Therefore, I started the day by remaking the bulk animations my friends sent me, and the player could not lose when a slime touched him or the rocket, so I just wrote some code and now the player could lose. Then I made a menu, and by made I totally don't mean Ctrl C, Ctrl V, a comment on a Brakis tutorial which contains all the code from that tutorial and changed it. What are you talking about? So yeah, now the game had a menu, a gameplay loop, but no windscreen when you reach X points. So I made the windscreen and then I added audio made using SFXR and added music that my friend made and was kind of done for it. You might want to play the game. If you do, just check the description. And the last thing that is cool is that BenBonk, the host of the jam, played my game and this happened.
Oh no, I just clicked off the game. Okay, we're good. Boo, boo, boo. Hey, let's go! Oh my gosh, I won! First try! Easy clap! You know what I have to say to that? I have to say to this.
But yeah, that was very impressive. And thanks for watching and bye.